Hello everyone, welcome to Teachopedia with Uzair Adamji. Today we will be learning about tuple in Python. We used round brackets to define a tuple. Tuple is immutable, that is, it can't be changed after defined or initialized. Tuple can hold different type of values and it can hold duplicate values as well. So that was a little bit of recap about tuple. Now let's jump to coding. Open idle and create a new file and name it as tuple. After that, we will create a tuple of cars and we will add some values in it. BMW, Suzuki, and 5. So let's print cars first. And to check whether it's a tuple or not, we will print its type as well using type function. Using type function, we can check any variable type. So it's print out the tuple and after that its type as well. So after that we will try to add a new value in tuple, but it will give us an error because tuple can't be changed after they are defined or initialized. So let's print. It will give us an error. Yes, it gives us an error that says that there is no append function you can use with tuple. Now to remove an item from a tuple, we will use remove function and we will remove 5, but it will also give us error because we can't add or remove item from a tuple after it initialized. So let's move on and try to use indexes and print some elements from our tuple. So let's print first element and it will print out BMW. Then we will print -1. It will print the last element, and now from 1 onwards it will print out Suzuki and 5. That means including one index, the value at index 1 and so on. 1 colon means that including the first index value and so on, all the values printed out. So after that we will check using conditional logic whether Nissan is if Nissan in cars print found, else not found. It will print not found because there is no Nissan value in our tuple. So moving on, we will create two tuples and we will join them and append that values in a new tuple. So let's create the one, two, tup two, A, B, then tup 3, and we will add tup 1 plus tup 2, and we will print tup 3. Uh-oh, name A is not defined. Okay, where we have done. Okay, so it should be in a string, so it will work. Yes, it works. So now in the end, if we want to check the length of our tuple or a list, we can use len length function and include our variable, that is tup3, and print that out, and also I'll check the length of our cars tuple, and let's run this. So it will print out 4 and 3, because in our tup 3 there are 4 elements and in our cars there are 3 elements. So moving on, we will delete tup 3, and after that we will print tup3, so that we will be assured that tup3 is no more and it's be it's deleted. So that's it for today. I hope you find this tutorial useful. These are the helpful functions which you use when you are dealing with tuple. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.